Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bayu Febriansyah. I am from class 19 to A13 with attendance absent is 17. In this video, I will presentation about computers and inside of computers. Introduction to computers. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device used to process data into information. A computer works using input, process, output, and storage system. Computers help humans in various daily activities. Example of computer usage is studying, working, graphic design, playing games, and online communication. Next is a brief history of computer. Development of computers. First generation is like use vacuum tubes, very large in size, consume a lot of electricity. Second generation is use transistor, smaller and faster. Third generation to modern era use integrated circuit and microprocessor, and computer become more modern, faster, and practical. Next is a type of computer. Type of computer based on form. The first is desktop. Used on a work desk, suitable for heavy tasks. Next is laptop. Laptop is practical and portable. And tablet and smartphone, portable and multifunctional. Next is a benefit of computer. Function and benefit of computer. The first is help complete work faster. The second is make accessing information easier. The third is for communication through the internet. And fourth is help in education and business field. And the last is used for editing, designing, and programming. Conclusion. Computer have become an important technology in modern life. The next is about inside of computer. The inside of computer consists of a hardware component located inside the computer case that work together to make the computer function properly. Function of internal component is processing data, storing data, displaying graphics, supplying electrical power, maintaining stable computer temperature. Example of component is like processor, CPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, VGA, and GPU. Next is RAM and storage. RAM is a random access memory. The function of this component is to temporarily store data while the computer is running. The function of this component is to help the computer run application faster. Next is storage, HDD or SSD. The function of this component is to permanently store data. The function of this component is to store the operating system, application, and user file. The next is a supporting component. The first is VGA and GPU. The function of this component is to process graphics and games. Next is power supply or PSU. The function of this component is to distribute electrical power to all computer components. The next is cooling fan. The function of this component is to keep the computer temperature stable and prevent overheating. And the last is cache. The function of this component is to protect all computer components from dust and damage. A conclusion, all components work together so the computer can function properly. Okay. Thank you for your attention. I am Boy Febriansyah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.